Friends, have you ever felt lethargic and tired after a meal? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience post-meal lethargy, also known as a food coma. In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to beat post-meal lethargy and stay active throughout the day. Tip 1. Choose the right foods. The first tip to beat post-meal lethargy is choosing the right diet. Avoid high carbohydrate, high fat, and high sugar foods, as these can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Instead, choose foods rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Tip 2. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help control your blood sugar levels and prevent post-meal lethargy. Try to eat 5 to 6 small meals instead of 3 large ones. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can also lead to fatigue, so it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks. Tip 4. Keep moving. Exercise is a great way to boost your energy levels and beat post-meal lethargy. Even a short walk after a meal can help speed up digestion and improve circulation. Tip 5. Take a power nap. If all else fails, a short nap can recharge your batteries and help you overcome post-meal lethargy. Just make sure you get enough sleep. Don't be interrupted. Keep your naps short, around 20-30 minutes. By following these simple tips, you can beat post-meal lethargy and stay energized throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and forgetting to subscribe to more videos of health and fitness. And share the video with your loved ones.